Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the PhD scholarship in the University of South Australia. So you have to open the link of University of South Australia, then go to the research tab and expand this research. When you click here, you will see the research project which are available in the University of South Australia for the PhD students. Eh, these projects are for the domestic student and also for the international students. So when you click here and then click here find projects. So now you can see all the PhD scholarship project available in this university are shown here. You can select the criteria for international students study level PhD, or you can also search the master by research. According to your criteria, you can select the option which is suitable for you. All project with scholarship. So now all the projects which are for the international applicant for the PhD students and the projects with the scholarship are shown here. So according to your major, you can find the subject project and you can apply here. So my major is basically mechanical engineering. I am going to look for a project which is related to the mechanical engineering, pattern formation of no, enhancing the cancer, no, these are related to the biomedical engineering, understanding the biological, no, understanding the genetic development, no. Go to the second, the economic crime, corruption and discrimination, no, 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 optimization, investigation, no. So basically I am looking a project which is related to the engineering. Project is related to the engineering. This is also related to engineering. This project is also related to the engineering. Potable water. So here you can look the information internal full-time principal investigator Dr. Zumbo, main campus, application close date 6 November, study level PhD, open to domestic candidate or international candidate. Tuition domestic students are eligible for a fee waiver who receive a stipend or eligible fee waiver. So project stipend you can see it's 200 and so monthly it will be around like 25 available to domestic and international applicant. Create life-saving technology. So this is all the description related to this project. You can see the supervisory team, principal investigator, and special dates. So the date is given Sunday, 6 November. So let's check the application procedure. So I think the application procedure will be same for all the subjects. Here is a step-by-step guide. Here is a preview application form. So we can see what things we needed. We have to select the title, family name, given name, middle name. You have a pin, different name, no date of birth, gender, Australian, no phone, email. Have you studied or received offer of admission from? No. Have you ever been employed? No. If you are employed, you can select yes. Citizen status, Australia, none of above. Here we have to put our country. Do you have a passport? Yes. We have to uh, give the scan photo of our passport, personal detail, and signature pages. These two pages we have to upload here. Grant Australian visa? No. Do you have a sponsor who will provide a living allowance for the length of the program? No. We needed the stipend or the scholarship. Are you applying through agent? No. English proficiency. The simplest way to make the English achievement by passing one of these. So you needed the IELTS if you have, or there is also another uh, method. Have you met the English standard on any of these tests within the past 2 years? No. So here there is also some option which can fulfill your English language requirement. So I intend to proceed in English. If you want to pair in the English language or its test, you can select this one. I have completed bachelor degree. Yes, in my case my bachelor degree was in English. This is for the Australian law. I have completed last 2 year of vision in 5 year can. Yes. So my previous university, the taught and is man in English. English. So my previous university was in English, and the lecture delivered was in English. So I can select this option. And some universities provide the English proficiency certificate. You can also upload here. I have taught in English for. So this option we can also select. I have at least two pieces of work published. So if you have the publication, two publication in the English journal, you can also select this one. In my case, I have one publication, so I am not able to select this one. And this is the best option suitable for me because my previous studies were in English. Academic qualification, you have to uh, give the information about your qualification. If you are applying for the master, you have to put the details of bachelor. If you are applying for PhD, you have to put the details for the masters and also for bachelors. So CV, we have to upload the CV. Employment experience, you have to give the uh, information about your experience. Referee details, you have to select two referees and give the information of these two referees for your application. Upload a cover letter. So here you have to upload a cover letter where you will describe your past activities and future plans and all the skills you have related to this project. And these are the main things you have to do if you want to apply for the any project in the University of South Australia. So I think the most important thing is this cover letter. Your letter should explain your letter should explain why you are interested in pursuing this research opportunity and how it will align with your past activities and future plans. So basically, you have to talk about your previous skills, and you have to tell them, like convince them you have the skills which are required uh, for this specific project. And also talk something about your future plan, like after the completion of your PhD, you are going to join for the postdoc, or you are going to join the some university for the lectureship, something like that. But the most important thing is that you have to focus on your past activities, in which you will talk about your previous skills according to these projects. So for example, for this project, potable water production through non-contact solar evaporation. So basically for this project, you must have experience related to the solar energy or renewable energy, and also some experience for the potable water production. So if your past experience are related to these two skills, then you can apply for this PhD position. And even like you have something which is related to this project, you can also apply. And there are different other projects, you can find them according to your research interest, according to your qualifications. So you can like use this uh, website of the University of South Australia to check the projects which will be available through the years. They will update the projects every month. So thank you so much. If you have any question related to the application procedure or the any question related to the research project, you just let me know. I will also put the link in the description. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel.